loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Liz. I hope you are doing well. So by the title of this video, I'm sure you already know that we are going to be reviewing another EUCERIN product. I recently decided to add another EUCERIN product to my skincare routine, and this one is called the EUCERIN Q10 Active Night Cream. This is how the box looks like. Now let me open it so that I can show you guys how it looks like. Okay. By the way guys, this is actually the first time I've implemented a night cream in my skincare routine. Yes, I'm just being honest. I've never used a night cream before. I don't know why. I don't know what I was thinking. But you guys know that I was using vitamin E every time I wash my face before I go to bed. So I felt like I didn't really need a night cream because I was using vitamin E. But anyways, in today's video I want to go ahead and review this product and tell you guys all about it since I started using it. Okay, before we get into it, if this is your first time, I would really love it if you could go down below and click on that subscribe button now, and don't forget to also click on the bell notification so that you'll be notified every time I post a video. And please don't forget to like this video. Like it because it helps my channel so much, and leave me a comment down below if you have any questions. Okay, first of all, I bought this product at Clicks as usual, and I bought it for 275 bucks. So now let us talk about the consistency of this product. So this is how the consistency looks like. Guys, as you can see, the product is not falling down at all. I'm actually trying to compare it to my day cream, the EUCERIN Aquaporin. That one is a little bit liquidy, or should I say it's a little bit light compared to this one. This one is just a little bit how do I say it? It's a little bit heavy or something like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab a little bit to show you guys the consistency. Okay, so this is how it looks like. As you can see, it is creamy. Now let us apply it on the skin. As you can see, it absorbs very easily into the skin, and the cream is non-greasy, guys, which is a plus. It's not shiny at all, and it's not leaving my skin greasy like some of the other night cream that you would find on the market. I love the way my skin feels like. While growing up, I used to think that I don't really need to use anti-aging product until I start seeing wrinkles on my face, or when I'm around 40 or 45 years old. That is totally wrong. Your skin actually starts to age around 20 years old. So it is advisable that you start using anti-aging products on your skin as soon as you can, because your skin starts to age around 20 years old. So it's good to incorporate some anti-aging skincare products early or as soon as you can. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and read what the product claims to do. It says it reduces the appearance of wrinkles and fortifies skin against premature aging. It also says that noticeably improves the smoothness and firmness of the skin. It also improves surface skin cell renewal and reduces the appearance of wrinkles. Its antioxidant effect helps to support skin's defense, and it also has pro-retinol in it. Some additional information about the product. It says that this product is designed for sensitive skin, okay, but it's suitable for all skin types. Okay, it absorbs quickly, non-comedogenic, and it's free of fragrance and alcohol. Okay, so you guys have heard all the claims. I don't know, maybe I'm also gonna include the claims in the description box, or I'll add it just on the screen. I've been using this product for over a month now. Like I said, I decided to implement it in my skincare routine, and since I've been using this night cream, you guys, I can honestly say that my skin has never felt this smoother and firmer at the same time. So I absolutely love it, and I also love the fact that this cream does not have a strong smell at all. I don't know, it smells a little bit like a soap, or guys, I'm not really good with smelling stuff, but it definitely does have a very slightly fragrance. I can't pick that up. I'm very bad at smelling stuff, so I'm really sorry when it comes to me telling you how it smells like. I can't really say, but it definitely doesn't have a strong smell at all. Okay, it's fragrance free. And I also want to mention that you don't really need a huge amount to apply on your face, because a little goes a long way. And one thing I want to mention, you guys, this product is a little bit yellow in color, just a little bit, compared to the Aquaporin Active My Day Cream. I was actually trying to compare the color. My Day Cream is very white, but this one is a little bit yellowish. I don't know if you guys can see that, just a little bit yellowish. And according to the information here on the box, it says that the light yellow color is due to the natural color of the ingredients. Q10 Active does not contain any colorants. If using the product for the first time, please read the enclosed leaflets. Avoid contact with the eye area. Anyways, as for my wrinkles, I can't really say anything at this point, because like I said, I've only been using this product for over a month, so I haven't noticed an improvement yet in terms of my fine lines and wrinkles. Yeah, so I can't really say much. Hopefully with continued use I might see an improvement, so I'll definitely update you guys either on my Instagram. By the way, if you haven't followed me, what are you waiting for? Girl, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I always tell you guys, you know, everything about my skin. Like, you know, I've got all the updates on my Instagram, so make sure that you are following me if you haven't already. And you guys, another thing I love about this product is the fact that it includes pro retinol in it, which helps the natural overnight regeneration of the skin cells. So I absolutely love it because of that ingredient as well. Yeah, so the bottom line is that would I actually recommend this product to you guys? And the answer is yes. Okay, so far I haven't experienced any you know, funny feeling or my skin changing or anything of the sort. I've not experienced it at all since I started using this product, so I'll definitely recommend it to everyone, no matter what age, because you can never start using a good cream too soon. So definitely go ahead and try it out. It is amazing and I absolutely love it. So I'm going to include the link to the product in the description box down below, and as usual, if I find the link on Amazon, I'll also include it down below, so go ahead and check it out. So that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I do appreciate it, and if you haven't already, please go down below and subscribe right now. And let me also know in the comment section down below, let me know if you want to see more product reviews on my channel. Let us engage in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think about this product. Let me know if you've been using it, or if you are going to actually purchase it after watching my review, or maybe if you've already been using it, how is it on your skin? Please share your experience in the comment section down below. I would really love to hear you giving us some feedback about this product. Definitely leave them in the comment section down below, and please don't forget to like this video, give it a massive thumbs up, as this will definitely help my channel. And yeah, thank you so much for watching today's video. I really love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.